This week, my personal chef is preparing chicken and fennel with an orange cream sauce. As usual, it's my responsibility to find a nice wine to pair with this meal. Alexa's going to get started by preheating the oven to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the orange fillets and save the juice to add later. Cut the fennel in wedges and save the greens to use as a garnish at the end. Cut the chicken into pieces, saute them on both sides, seasoning with salt and pepper. Then set them aside in a casserole dish. In the same saucepan, saute the fennel on both sides. Add the onion and garlic, and saute it all together for a bit. Then take the fennel out and put it in the casserole dish with the chicken. Then you're going to deglaze the onions and garlic with white wine and let it reduce.
The caramelization, so that's why you call it deglaze. Because when you add it to it, then you get all the scrubbing on the bottom, and that's the flavor.
Next, she's going to add chicken broth, a heavy cream, the orange fillets, juice, and the raisins. Then season with cumin, paprika, and pimenta split, which is a type of chili powder. Pour the sauce over the chicken and fennel. And bake it for 25 minutes at 390 degrees. Before serving, garnish the dish with the fennel greens.
Oh, Alexa, this is fabulous. And just the right amount of cumin.
I can have a little bit more cumin, but other people don't like it that much, but I like cumin.
I know.
It's good.
That is very good. Good job.
Thank you.
My compliments to the chef.